Hi friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you a few tips for creating anchor bolt plan. Before creating anchor bolt plan, you just have to remember certain points. First, you have to set anchor bolt plan settings in drawing properties before creating the drawing. Then select the plan view at the base plate level. Your view should be in XY plane. Suppose if your work plane is somewhere else, change that one to XY plane or to the model origin. You should select only a single view. Suppose you have anchor bolt at different elevations, you have to create a GA drawing at the level of the topmost base plate or anchor bolt because the anchor bolt plan view extrema looks downwards. If the lowest level anchor bolt is not shown, then you have to adjust the advanced option because the default value is 200. Let's go through the step-by-step process. I'm going to create the general arrangement drawing first. I'm keeping the option standard and create. Now once I double click here, if I go to the view option anchor bolt, now you can see these options are disabled. I won't be able to change it inside the drawing. So you have to change these settings before you create the anchor bolt plan. Let me go back. Now create general arrangement drawing. And I'm keeping this view in 3D. Let me go to the drawing properties and go to the view option, select anchor bolt plan, change this option to yes. And this is the detailed view scale, that's fine. Maybe I can take it 1:75. Apply and OK. And apply and OK. Now I'm selecting this view. Once I click open drawing and create, this will give me the warning because this is not in XY plane. So let me change this one to XY plane. And if you select multiple views, again the system will throw the warning. Now you can see. So let me select a single view, click open drawing and create. You can see the main views and also you can see the detailed views. So let's not focus on the settings because I'm just using the standard settings to create the drawings here. As I said, if you have base plates which are very close but at two different elevations, you always have to create this anchor bolt plan selecting the topmost base plate level. If the distance is more than 200, obviously it is not going to show the lowest level because of the settings in the advanced option. So if I go to the advanced options and search for anchor, now you can see the tolerance here 200. So if the two base plates, the distance is 400, just for an example, in that case, what I would do is I'll just keep the tolerance as 500 so that I can see the two different level base plates. And this is also using show in anchor bolt plan filter option. So if you don't see certain parts in the drawing, it is just because of the filter options enabled in the anchor bolt plan. If you have any questions or if you just want to know more about creating anchor bolt plan, feel free to drop me a message. And thank you for watching this video.